Everyone told Daniel that he would never win. He failed again and again. But one morning, he did something that surprised everyone. He tried one more time. Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn English with IJ. Today, you'll learn English through this short and inspiring story, The Boy Who Never Gave Up. Listen carefully, enjoy the story and try to understand the English without translating every sentence. Let's begin. Daniel was a young boy who loved running. Every morning, he went to the park and practiced. He dreamed of becoming the fastest runner in his school. But Daniel was not a fast runner. In fact, he was usually the last person to finish the race. One day, his school announced a big running competition. Daniel was very excited. I will win this race, he said to himself. He practiced every morning before school. He ran in the park. He ran on the school field. He even practiced when it was raining. But the day of the competition came and Daniel was nervous. There were many fast runners in the race. When the race started, everyone ran quickly. Daniel tried his best, but after a few minutes, he was far behind the others. One by one, the other runners passed him. Daniel could hear people cheering for them. He felt tired. His legs hurt. He wanted to stop. Then he looked at the finish line. He remembered all the mornings he had spent practicing. He remembered the rainy days. He remembered all the times he had failed. Daniel took a deep breath. I may not win, he said, but I will finish. So he kept running. Slowly, he moved forward. The other runners had already finished the race, but Daniel did not stop. He continued running until he finally reached the finish line. Everyone was surprised. The crowd started clapping. His teacher smiled and said, Daniel, you didn't win the race today. Daniel looked down, but you won something more important. His teacher continued, you didn't give up. Daniel smiled. From that day on, he understood something important. Winning is not always about being the fastest. Sometimes winning means continuing when things become difficult. Daniel continued to practice every day. Months later, he joined another race. This time, he was faster. Then he joined another race. He became even better. And 1 year later, Daniel won his first school race. And 1 year later, Daniel won his first school race. Everyone cheered for him. Daniel smiled and remembered the day when he almost gave up. He was proud of himself, not because he was the fastest, but because he never stopped trying. Now, from the above story, let's learn some useful English words from today's story. Competition. It is a contest where people try to win. For example, I am preparing for a running competition. Practice. It means to do something again and again to become better. For example, I practice English every day. Next word is nervous. It means feeling worried or afraid about something. For example, I felt nervous before my exams. Next is give up. It means to stop trying. For example, don't give up on your dreams. Next word is proud. It means feeling happy about something you have done. For example, my parents are proud of me. Try to use these words in your everyday English. The lesson of today's story is simple. Never give up just because something is difficult. You may fail today, you may feel tired, you may feel that you are not good enough, but every time you practice, you become a little better. Remember Daniel, success doesn't always come quickly. Sometimes you just need to keep going. Now let's practice some sentences from the story. Repeat after me. I will never give up. I will keep trying. Practice makes me better. I can learn from my mistakes. I believe in myself. I will keep going even when things are difficult. Excellent! If you enjoyed this story, like this video and subscribe to Learn English with IJ for more easy English stories, conversations, vocabulary and speaking practice. Keep learning, keep practicing and most importantly, never give up. I'll see you in the next lesson.